Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again to our book. Today we are in page 111. Let's get started the first part. Okay, we're still doing تمرينات على همزة الوصل, practicing همزة الوصل. Okay, the Hamza which has the skipping sign. Okay, it's called همزة الوصل, and the Hamza, the alif with the Hamza on top is called همزة القطع. And as well, please do not forget our concept. Okay, remember our concept. We said if the third harf has a Dhumma, the first harf will start with a Dhumma. Okay, if someone asks you, why did you start here with a Dhumma? It's because the third one is a Dhumma. Okay, if the third one is a Fatha or a Kasri, you start with a Kasri. There's nothing which starts with a Fatha. Okay, let's do the practice, then we're going to see. Okay, so we have the first one here. The third one has a Fatha. What are we going to start? Of course, it's a Kasri. So we say ib'ath, 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 ibnaka, ibnaka. Okay, this is not because the third one here is a Fatha. We start with a Kasri. Remember those 10 special words. Okay, the ones I told you to put a Kasri on page 110. Ibnaka. Okay, idhhab, idhhab. Okay, the third one here has a Fatha. We are going to start with a Kasri. idhhab, iqtahama, iqtahama, Qalqala, iqtahama. The third one has a Fatha. We are going to start with a Kasri. ihtamala, ihtamala. طيب, ihtamala. The third one here has a Fatha. We are going to start with a Kasri. Also, this one is one of the special verbs, inshallah. When you go to advanced Arabic in something we call sarf, one of the parts of Arabic grammar, you're going to know them. Ihtamala, ihtamala, ihtamala. i'tamara, i'tamara, i'tamara. استمع, استمع, استمع. اقترب, اقترب, اقترب. Okay, then we have also the third ones here. All of them they're Fatha, so we are going to start with the Kasri. استكبر, استكبر, استكبر. استحوذ, استحوذ, استحوذ. استخلف, استخلف, استخلف. استيأس, استيأس, استيأس. طيب, let's go here. Remember, when the third one is a Kasri, 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 we're going to start with a Kasri. If the third one is Fatha, 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 all of them they're going to start with a Fatha. Remember our concept, okay? Isrif, isrif. ارجع, ارجع. اصبر, اصبر. اغفر, اغفر. طيب, let's start from the beginning one more time. So we have ابعث, ابعث. ابنك, ابنك. اذهب, اذهب. اقتحم, اقتحم. احتمل, احتمل. اعتمر, اعتمر. استمع, استمع. اقترب, اقترب. استكبر, استكبر. استحوذ, استحوذ. استخلف, استخلف. Excuse me, sorry. استيأس استيأس. Then we have اصرف اصرف. ارجع ارجع. اصبر اصبر. اغفر اغفر. Inshallah, please make sure you understand the concept and you can read it in less than a minute. مع السلامة. Thank you for watching. Please remember me in your dua. I'm not feeling well. Thank you for watching.